Ngayong buntag, ang Kubota Saka Day ay sinimulan namin noong 2015. This is a yearly event in partnership with all our authorized dealers in all regions of the Philippines.
Remember my name, cause it's time for a change. Yeah, what people gon' tell me, I'm knowing the game. I'm walking and nothing the same, I'm nothing to play with. Eyes full of amazement, it's the wave I came with. They gon' look in the crowd and see what they found me. A statement, yeah, they gon' remember my name.
Ang pinaka-importante ang preparation. Bisag asa ta, bisag kaning activity. One day lang activity pero ang preparation, 1 month. So, para ma-success ang activity. So, same lang ako nasa tong transplanter. For Earth, for Life, Kubota.
This event is aimed at touching base with our customers and an opportunity for us to understand their current requirements and future requirements, both in product and maybe our services as well. So we want to make sure that we are there for our customers and to make sure that their needs are met. And of course, we've been doing this in all areas, NCL, South Luzon and Visayas, and in Mindanao.
Isang papasasalamat to sa ating mga kasaka. Ang ini-expect natin sa araw na ito is basically kasiyahan. Giving thanks, and we want to give back to the farmer. That's why we want to make this day memorable and enjoyable for our farmers.
Salamat ako sa Kubota Saka Day. Mayroon ako mga nalalaman nga mga new product. Tapos hindi lang kay sa new product, marami din mga kasamahan ng mga farmers.
I mean it, we need it from when no one ever believes it till they see it. I've seen it, they just need a leader to lead them. I'm here for a reason, not just for a season. There's no competing. We beat the odds and got even. Now let me hear you sing it.
May mga prizes tayong inira-raffle out. So basically, we want the day to be fun for the farmer. So ginagamit din namin ang pagkakataon na to upang mapakilala ang mga latest na produkto na aming ino-offer. So we really want this day to be memorable and fun as well as informative for our farmers.
Yes. These events is also the venue for us to show the proper maintenance, Hindi lang para ma-introduce yung mga ating mga bagong produkto, pero paano naman i-maintain yung mga current units ng ating mga kasaka. Gusto rin natin ipahiwatig at paliwanag how important it is to use Kubota genuine parts.
Kubota, ani at kita ay masagana!
This wouldn't be possible without the help of our authorized dealer in the area. So in this case, our Saka Day is kumbaga supported by our dealer, Alex 77 Marketing. So this is in partnership with our dealer and Kubota.
So yes, of course, this day is really for all of you po, So please stay with us, and we hope everyone gets a prize today.
Alex 77 have discount. If kung mupalit mo og biskwit, free ang harvester. 1.8 ang biskwit.
salamat ko sa Kubota, kang Sir Alex Salunga, Alex 777, kay iya kong isa ko sa naimbitar sa baong Sakada Day. O daghan kaing salamat nga usa ko sa ilahang kliyente nga naka-avail sa ilang baligya nga Kubota, o salamat pud ko kay sa amo ang pag-attend aning activity, maka-avail pud mi sa ilang medical check-up.
This is a very good twist, no? Today, hindi lang pala tayo pang makinarya, no? Pero pa tayo mga medisina.
We are also very thankful no, to Alex77 Marketing, headed by Sir Alex, Ma'am Cindy, and Sir Kenneth, no, and the rest of the Alex77 marketing team.
So with this, thank you very much, Sir Alex, and we wish the best of luck to Dr. Cindy and to Architect Kenneth. We hope that you can, kumbaga, meet up the expectations of Kubota and as well as Sir Alex in, kumbaga, taking care of the business.
May this day be filled of enthusiasm and a big smile to all of us. We hope makahatag ni og kalipay sa inyong mga kasaka. Daghan salamat.